Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the Shiitake mushroom spot in Heartopia game to help you collecting more Shiitake mushrooms. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to collect Shiitake mushroom, you need to go to the fishing village. Okay, I'm already at the fishing village right here. And then you can go to the forest and you will find the shiitake mushroom. And wait, let me take a picture of the mushroom for my thumbnail. Okay, like this. And then I'm going to collect the mushroom. Okay, done. And you can explore the forest at the fishing village right here. Okay, right there. Under the tree. Okay, usually you can find them under the tree, guys. So this is the spot for the shiitake mushroom. Okay, I'm going to move to another side of the fishing village. Okay, here. Okay. And you can use the shiitake to cook something that related with mushroom, for example, the grilled mushroom. And okay guys, that's how you can find more shiitake mushrooms in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and bye!